So sometimes I jokingly telling, I'm reincarnation of that professor. I want to share. This is one of sort of my the stories already, story of my experience. About 40 years ago, I start seriously thinking discussion with or dialogue with modern scientists. Then I expressed this desire to some Westerners who become Buddhist or who follow Tibetan Buddhism. I asked, say, that my feeling, what is their sort of view? Then some of them told me, be very careful. Science is killer of religion. Then I reflect the Buddha's word, as I mentioned earlier. Reflect that. Then I felt, if science, scientific way, certain things prove, such as Mount Meru does not exist. World is round. So we have to accept. So therefore, I start serious dialogue with modern scientists, mainly cosmology, neurobiology, then physics, particularly quantum physics, then psychology. So after 30 years, now it becomes very clear that serious sort of dialogue is immense benefit to both. So we start lesson study science already introduced in our bigger monastery in South India. So now it becomes clear Buddhism, particularly Nalanda tradition, can be act like bridge between spirituality and modern science. So, you see, this, I think in the 5th century, one Nalanda master already rejected world flat and its center, Mount Meru. He already rejected. World is round. So sometimes I jokingly telling, I'm reincarnation of that professor. So it is quite interesting. So not just a faith. Very much emphasis reason. In order to use reason or
logic,
the skepticism and analyze. That's very important. So I think your small institution, I think should pay in these line, these field. And eventually, I think from your institution, some male and female eventually can be Geshe.